September 5th, Bremerton, Washington. Police respond to an active scene when suddenly backup arrives. Or does it? Meet 49-year-old Michael Scaletta-Teates, decked out in full tactical gear, complete with an Edmonds Police badge and SWAT patches. There's just one problem: he's not a cop. In fact, he's a convicted felon with a very disturbing history.
That one guy and this lot of people, they are hanging. These people are need clean, and this guy 24 hours is grey t-shirt.
You said he works here.
No, no, grey t-shirt. No, this guy.
Who are you asking to leave?
I call and this guy 24 hours here in the door.
Okay.
And every customer say,
He just need to leave?
yeah, no more, yeah, brother. He's
Okay, man.
24
He needs to leave.
hours.
I was talking to some other guys. So you work for Edmonds PD?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a part-time gig.
I got you. Do you have your commission card with you today?
Yeah, give me a minute. Here.
No, didn't find it?
Sorry? No, he's going to. It's in my other bag.
Oh, okay.
He's grabbing it now.
Okay, how long have you been
apologize.
working for the Salvation Army?
Sorry?
How long have you been working off duty for the Salvation Army?
I'm here almost every other week.
Every other week?
Yeah, and then I also work down at the KRM.
Okay. And what's your full name?
Mezzy Scaletta. M-E-Z-Z-Y.
That's your-
S-C-A-L-E-T-T-A.
So your first name is Mezzy?
M-E-Z-Z-Y, correct.
And Scaletta?
S-C-A-L-E-T-T-A.
Okay, what's your middle initial?
Anthony. And 81076. As soon as he gets back up.
What's a good phone number for you? Is it a loaded firearm that you have with you, Mr. Scaletta?
Correct.
Okay, can you put your hands on the car, please? I'm not familiar with the retention of this holster. Just keep your hands right there.
Can we not do this in front of everybody? I mean, really?
Yeah.
You're doing just fine keeping your hands on
Okay,
that.
yeah.
I appreciate
no
it.
problem, man.
You have any other firearms on, sir?
No, sir.
Here's what you do. So you're not under arrest right now?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, please. Mr. Scaletta, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to time talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Now, if I afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? So we might have called Edmonds last night.
The sheriff?
What?
We might have called Edmonds PD last night.
Yeah.
Not on the payroll.
Say it again?
You're not on the payroll with Edmonds PD.
Is it okay if I go through this?
Yes,
to-
please.
to
Good
find
night.
this?
Good night. And then I can call my phone.
Waiting for 29. Go ahead when you're ready.
It's a FN brand firearm, serial number 386425442.
The only reason I was walking away is I was going to be like, hey, we've got possible criminal impersonation here. This guy's armed. I was just going to maybe wait for one or two more.
I know,
That's all. I was
he was
getting weird.
making me real uncomfortable,
Gotcha.
so
And
I just wanted
I
to...
picked up on that. I just wanted to let you know.
Yeah, no, you're good.
I was just going to dip and be like, this is what this
No,
is.
I know, but...
Keep one or two more coming. And then I was going to come right back.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, so tell me what happened in 2015 with Baltimore PD.
The riots? Or,
I
with
think you know
the,
exactly what I'm talking about.
The unit, yeah. I worked in the Eastern Precinct.
Mm-hmm.
They were we all knew what they were doing. We knew what was going on. Just a matter of time. And we already we knew the feds were there.
Mm-hmm.
But you keep your nose clean. You don't have to worry about.
Well, I'm talking about the offense where you were arrested in Baltimore City.
Me?
In 2015.
I was arrested. I wasn't arrested. Never been arrested.
Never been arrested.
No.
Never once.
Never. Never been arrested.
So when I search you in our police database, and your name and date of birth come back with an incident in 2015 with the District of Columbia, which is obviously Washington, D.C.
That's DC. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You said no. Take me on atheist right now. Never been arrested. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. In 2015, he was involved in like a SWAT incident where he barricaded himself inside and had like a whole like threat of like blow the place up. So it was like a bomb threat. SWAT was involved. They came out. He was detained and arrested in District of Columbia. That was from Lynx back in 2015. He's saying that he retired from Baltimore City Police after doing like 24 years or some shit 4 years ago, which he's a convicted felon. He wouldn't be retiring 4 years ago. And then he's saying he got a job out here, Thurston County, was only there for a short time, and then he initially said he was working for Edmonds PD for 18 months, and then he said he has 18 months left on a 2-year contract with Edmonds.
What's that? Let's remove the gear. Let's solve that problem.
Okay.
He has a badge that says Detective Edmonds on it. So the officers that were working last night went the extra step and called the Edmonds Police Department. They've never heard of him. He's not on the payroll. So between showing up on scene with commissioned officers, saying he's a cop, having blue emergency lights, and then this morning approaching me saying he's police, wearing a police vest.
Right.
Yeah. And then furthermore, today he was carrying a firearm. It was unloaded. He's a convicted felon. He can't have a firearm. So he's going to jail today for criminal impersonation of the second degree and unlawful possession of a firearm.
This is insane. Because we just arrested a guy for impersonation of a police officer. So he's dressed like us. He's got a badge like us.
Oh, this police guy?
Yeah.
He
had a gun on his head.
He's all night here walking.
All night here?
Yeah, all night. He's walking and around here and in this side and badge and weapon. This and 3-4 times he's come inside.
Inside the store?
Yeah, he's around, purchase some drink.
Yeah.
And I call for one, some people here 24 hours, so I call 911. Your colleague is come, so he's together come. And he say, here is lot of people is arresting, so I come here and extra police and this, he stopped.
He told you he was a police officer?
Yeah, he's uniform.
But did he actually tell you that he was a police officer?
I don't know, but 2-3 customers, na, so he is talking customers there.
He was talking to customers, telling them?
Customers inside.
And he told them that he was a police officer?
Yeah.
Okay.
As you just witnessed, Scaletta-Teates spun an elaborate story about retiring from Baltimore PD after 20 years. The truth? He's a convicted felon who made bomb threats back in 2016 and served prison time. Before this arrest, he was working security at a Salvation Army shelter where witnesses described him as intimidating, telling people to shut up and keep walking. This wasn't his first performance either. He was caught on camera at a 7-Eleven emergency call, telling customers he was a police officer. Now facing charges of criminal impersonation and illegal firearm possession, the question remains, how did a convicted felon get so close to real police operations? This case has authorities and the community demanding answers.